Now friends, today we are talking about the terminology of thread. So what is a different type of terminology used in thread? Like root, this is a terminology, crest, pitch, flank, chamfer and thread angle. So let's we start one by one. What is a root? You see friends, this is a picture of thread. The bottom of the thread, root of the thread is known as root and above portion is known as crest. This point is known as crest and this point is known as root. This point is known as root, you see here. And pitch, consecutive distance between crest. This consecutive, this distance between this distance is also known as pitch. So this is a pitch. Okay, now flank, this portion you see here, this portion is known as crest. Okay, now these angles is known as thread angle. Friend, this angle is alpha and this angle is alpha and total angle is known as thread angle 2 alpha. Friends, this centered axis is known as axis and this is a chamfer. Friends, horizontal straight line and this flank, angle between this horizontal line and this flank is known as chamfer and it is almost 45 degree. So friends, this distance, circular distance between this root to this, you see here, this root, this root, this root and this root is known as minor dia. Distance, circular distance between this root to this is known as minor dia and distance between crest, circular distance between this crest to this crest is known as major diameter. You see here, this is a major diameter. From this crest to this crest distance is known as major diameter. From this root to this root is distance is known as minor diameter. And distance between, center distance between root to crest, you see here, this is a line. And also see here, this root to this crest, this is a mid line, is known as pitch diameter. So you terminology say, you see here, pitch diameter PD, major diameter capital D and minor diameter small d. So this is all terminology regarding thread.